In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deliver an email sequence in Kit, formerly Convertkit. To get started, head over to Kit and begin by creating your email sequence. From the main menu, go to Send, then Sequences. Once you're there, click New Sequence. This is where you'll build the series of emails that new subscribers will receive automatically over time. Give your sequence a clear name, something like Welcome Series, so it's easy to identify later when you connect it to an automation. After that, start creating your emails inside the sequence. A simple structure is to send your first email immediately after someone signs up, then send a second email 1 to 2 days later, and a third email 3 to 5 days after that. This kind of spacing helps you stay in touch without overwhelming subscribers all at once. As you build each email, make sure to set the delay correctly for when it should be sent. The timing matters because this is what creates the flow of the sequence. Once each email is ready, publish every email in the sequence. If an email is left unpublished, it won't go out, even if everything else is set up correctly. Next, open the sequence and go into Settings. Here, you'll need to turn the active toggle on, then save your changes. This part is very important because if the sequence remains inactive, your subscribers won't receive any of the emails you just created. Once the sequence itself is ready, the next step is to connect it to an automation. Go to Automate, then Visual Automations, and click Create Automation. You'll now choose an entry point, which tells Kit what should trigger someone to enter the automation. This could be a form submission, a landing page sign-up, a tag being added, or a completed purchase. Choose the option that matches how you want people to join your sequence. After selecting the entry point, add an action to the automation. For that action, choose Email Sequence, and then select the sequence you created earlier. This tells Kit exactly what should happen after the trigger occurs. Finally, review the full workflow to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, turn the automation to active. As a final check, test the setup by subscribing with a test email address. That way, you can confirm the automation triggers properly and the sequence is being delivered as expected. And that's how to deliver an email sequence in Kit.